If you're new to TradingView, indicators like RSI, MACD and moving averages are the tools that actually tell you what the market is doing, and adding them takes about 10 seconds. I'm Isaiah from the Investor Center, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's worth knowing as well, the free TradingView plan only lets you run 2 indicators at once, but some of the best brokers on our page will get you 3 months of premium free after you deposit, which bumps that up to 25. The links are down in the description. So once you are on your charts, adding an indicator is very, very easy. All you need to do is come up to the top panel here and select indicators, and by default, in alphabetical order, it will show all of the different indicators. Now, if there's a specific indicator that you want to search for, all you need to do is type it up in the top bar. Let's say we're going to look for a simple moving average. You will see it come up here. Once you select it, left click, it will be applied to the chart. If you wanted to add another indicator, the same rules apply. Let's say we wanted to add RSI to our chart as well, the relative strength index. We just select that, and then the RSI will come up in the separate panel below. Now, as I said before, without Premium TradingView, you can only have 2 indicators on chart at any given time. But as I said, the link's down in the description for the best brokers for TradingView, and some of them do actually give you access to TradingView Premium when you deposit, which means you are able to add significantly more indicators to your chart. That's not for everyone, but for people who do have multi-indicator strategies, TradingView Premium is a massive bonus. If you want to remove any indicators that have been applied to the actual chart, they will always come up in the top left here. So you see SMA, simple moving average, and you can just select the bin icon there. But any that add their own panel to the bottom, they will come down at the bottom of the screen here, and you will see them just above the panel window in the top left. And again, you can just select the bin. So now you know how to add indicators on TradingView. If you found this video useful, subscribing genuinely helps us keep making this content. I'll see you in the next one.